Hey folks, so the camera. Hey folks, so the camera has been tilted up and my setup has gone changed. It would be really great if I can show you all my new setup. I showed you all the stream software as well, but let's leave it. So today is something awesome and like overpowered. I'm overwhelmed. So today we have got swag pack from CNCF. Pretty much thick, and I can't really show you all the address. Pretty much thick as well. So I just really love it. And let's not waste the time and let's just see what's in it. Right? So let me just state it up. Right. So this is extremely awesome, and I can't really express myself, but yeah, I guess you all have even seen that in the reflection. Let's leave it, no worries. This is extremely awesome. The Kubernetes turtle stacked upon. I just really love it. It's one of my first toy as in this tech field. I just really love it. I think it's let's see. Nobody. Oh my god, this is really awesome. Four toys at a time. I just really love it. So yeah, just a shout out in between. I have got these things as I recently got into CNCF as a CNCF community leader at CNCF Navi, Mumbai. Alright, so make sure to join our Discord and user group and all. And yeah, I will be sharing all the details in the description. So make sure to check that out. And yeah, it's basically like we will have some of the swags from it as well in the giveaways upcoming. So make sure to join as that. So after that we have got so much of stickers. I can't really express myself, but it's too much. I can't really. I don't even believe it, but yes, it's true. Stickers. It's around 50 plus stickers. Only stickers are 50 plus. So yeah, you can think of how many giveaways will be there. 50 plus. I can't really believe it. Then I just this is one of the best ones. Anyhow, everyone loves it. Oh my god, this is pretty much cool. And even the clothes quality is pretty much good. I just really like it. It's awesome. I will take it up. I'm really sorry, but I will take it. And then we have got one more. This is also I gonna wear these things at upcoming sessions. So make sure to join us at that. So yeah, once again, make sure to join our CNCF community. We'll have some giveaways as well. Even our launch event is coming soon. And yeah, that's all for today. I hope you all like it. And yeah, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Make sure to share it, and as well as click on the subscribe button. And make sure to select the bell icon so that you can get